What's more important to Connecticut than economics? I'll get to that. This is the Daily Fire for October 17th. I'm Mark Stewart Greenstein, and more important than economics, civics. Doing well for the community, which helps you do well for yourself, by the way. We don't have enough of that in our schools. We are less and less tied to churches, synagogues, and mosques. So we end up with, well, where do we get our civics? From buddies on the internet. Not a great way. I have a better way. Great way. Return grandma and grandpa to the home. Don't you think children are better off when there are 4 parents available to help them with school, help them with their troubles? Don't you think parents are better off in their work life when grandma or grandpa or both are right in the home to help out? Separation, if it's not socially needed, is unnecessary. We have togetherness in families who are economically pressed. I'm encouraging togetherness for people who are well off, who grandma and grandpa are in one home and don't need to be. Big home, kids nearby, why not? It worked really well up until the 1950s, and that's when a lot of parents decided to separate from their grandparents. It coincided with a lot more loneliness. We have an epidemic, according to Senator Ben Sasse, my favorite senator, of loneliness, despite devices that connect us instantaneously with the world. Despite more activities to do, we apparently have more depression and, for the last 3 years, lower life expectancy, higher mortality at younger ages. We can change that by embracing some old-fashioned values. Connecticut is no stranger to good values, but they get mixed up in a frenzied rush that we don't have to have either. I'm the governor candidate who wants to ease your work life in many ways, and with it, enhance your family life. The schools I envision for Connecticut keeps children home more. Let parents commute less and educate kids better. The retirement opportunities I offer Connecticut for seniors who want to still work but not in a corporation that beats them down every day. How about teaching some of those children, your own, and maybe a posse of others that come to the home every day? I fund neighborhood schools. Literally, a 6-person school may be the best kind of education. Can't have a big athletic team, but you combine with a few other neighborhood schools, and there you go, the neighborhood's team taking on somebody else. Those schools can incorporate some great teachers by the internet and incorporate even better facilitators. That's dad, mom, grandpa, grandma, who have the ability to help with something that knowledge doesn't complete. They help with wisdom.